What's going on, guys? So back here we have the newest project bike. If you guys did not see yesterday's video, you have to go check it out. I did a full rundown on this RM250. So basically what we have here is a 2001 RM250. Bought it for $600. Didn't have the top end on it. I do have that in the shop. So obviously it doesn't run. The bike needs quite a bit of work. However, it is a great bike to start with for a project. So it already has a bunch of cool stuff on it. RM250 front end. So the Showa SFF forks, which are a good set. Has a RM250 subframe. So kind of like the tail section. Definitely makes the bike look a little better. So yeah, it's a great bike to start with. But like I said, the bike is gonna need quite a bit of work. All the bushings, bearings, seals, wear parts replaced on it. And so it's gonna be stripped completely down to the frame and built back up just like how I did with the CR250. So the purpose of today's video is to reveal exactly what I'm doing with this bike. So without further ado, here is the plan. I'll be building this bike for you guys. That's right, when the bike is all done, all finished up, and looking sweet, it will be given away completely free to one of you guys. You heard that right, I am not messing around one bit. Now to have a chance to win this bike, it is completely free. You don't have to go buy anything. It's not any sort of raffle. There's no elaborate sign-up plan. Just straight up, one of you guys will win this bike completely free. Now to sign up, all you have to do is go down below, click the first link in the description, enter your name and email address. That's absolutely it, nothing else, and you'll have a chance to win the bike. Now there are a couple rules here. You have to be in the United States, you have to be over 18, and you gotta like dirt bikes, of course. I don't want someone winning this thing that is just gonna sell it or do whatever with it, make money on it. I want one of you to win this bike and go ride the heck out of it. Since I'm being generous and giving away this bike when it's all finished up, I'm going to limit entries to 1 per person. So don't try to go sign up a million times. The system will take all of your entries out and you'll have no chance at it at all. And if you go and create a bunch of new email addresses, it is tracked by IP, so you will be screwed that way too. So keep it fair, 1 entry per person. Now, why the heck am I giving this bike away? I know you guys are like, Cam, why would you do that? You could just sell it and make some good money on it. This is all because of you guys. So over the past year and a half, you guys have shown a tremendous amount of support toward me and the channel. A year and a half ago, I was diagnosed with leukemia, and immediately I had thousands and thousands of messages just pouring in, offering support, a helping hand, just anything and everything. Just knowing that you guys had my back the entire time made the biggest difference in getting healthy again. And besides that, you guys shared the videos, supported my businesses and the channel, and it just felt like a family the entire time, and even up to this day. So here I am, a year and a half later, back healthy again and doing the things I love. So why not do something like this? Why not give back? It's something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I feel like it's the perfect opportunity. Now, another thing that really motivates me in doing something like this is seeing all the negativity going on in our world right now. There's so many things that are dividing us and just so much hatred going on, especially with social media. And I feel like we can make a difference just with spreading a good message, being positive, and connecting over our love of motorcycles or just whatever. We can all kind of come together and become closer. And that's what I try to do with the channel. Just spread a good message, be positive, be a person that helps others out, and we can make a difference. So what I'm gonna ask of you guys right now is to continue sharing the videos, telling your friends and family about it, anyone that might be interested in motorcycles, spread the word, and I think we can do something pretty cool here. Oh, my arm's getting tired holding this camera up so long. So my exact plans with building the bike, it's gonna be more of a budget type build. So we're not gonna go all out and do a bunch of titanium or carbon fiber all over the place. It's still gonna look really cool when it's all done, but it's gonna be more geared toward showing you guys what we can do with a smaller budget. We're not gonna go and spend 15 or 20 grand on it. I'm gonna keep track of all the costs for you guys, show you exactly what everything goes for, and I think it'll help a lot with doing your own builds. And speaking of doing your own builds, I am running a bike build contest over winter. The contest starts right now. It's already up. Your entries are due by the end of the year, so January or December 31st at midnight. It's gonna go through April 15th. I'm giving away $1,000 to you guys who can make the biggest transformation. This isn't about spending a boatload of money going and decking out your bike. It's about starting with a beat up old bike and transforming it into something nice. So whether that's cleaning up a bunch of parts, doing some polishing, you know, new graphics, seat cover, some painting, whatever it is, do a cool transformation and enter this contest. So I will have all the details and the link over to the entry page down below in the description. I don't know about you, but I am so freaking stoked to get going on this thing. One more thing I just thought of is when the bike is getting lightheaded here. Oh man, just about passed out. I must have been too stoked. But what I was saying is when the bike giveaway is all done and the winner is chosen, I'll either ship the bike to you at my cost, or if you're local, I'll deliver it or find some way to get it to you in person. Now, as far as everyone bashing on Suzuki lately, that is a bunch of nonsense. These bikes are pretty freaking badass. Ricky Carmichael rode one to like 6 or 7 championships, and so they're obviously pretty freaking sweet. They have good power, they turn super good. I, for one, cannot wait to jump on it and try it out. So with this build, we are gonna make Suzukis cool again. Now, before we start on this project and tear it completely apart, I wanna give you guys a good idea what kind of shape this beater is in right now. Enjoy.